Southeastern Nebraska, 1885. While everyone else stacked precious wood, Lars Nilsson stored corn cobs. Neighbors laughed. They called it trash. On the treeless prairie, wood meant survival. But Lars burned what others threw away. Corn cobs caught fire instantly. His stove hit cooking heat in minutes. Clean burn. Almost no smoke. Then January 12, 1888 arrived. A warm morning turned deadly fast. Temperatures crashed to 20 below. The schoolchildren's blizzard. Frame houses bled heat. Wood fires struggled to keep up. Fuel piles vanished overnight. But inside Lars's sod house, thick earth walls held the warmth. Small charges of cobs roared hot on demand. Families followed the smoke to his door. Children freezing. Homes unlivable. Inside, it was warm enough to work barehanded. Trash fuel saved lives. By morning, the laughter was gone. The lesson was clear. On the plains, survival belonged to those who used what the land gave them.